these break off really easy. I've done it to a couple of them now. Obviously, you guys have seen that. I have a few here, so I'm gonna probably have to, you know, sneak in some hot glue somewhere. Oh, Jesus, the pieces are just falling off. Yeah, so don't be like me, guys, and, you know, don't break this stuff. Oh. Probably help if I took this piece out. Long piece. Long piece, of course. Long piece. Ah, Jesus. Yeah, I definitely got some messed up pieces here. But, oh, God. Okay. Let's snap that piece in there. Let's see what we're working with. We got a few broken pieces here. This is really disappointing. You know, this laser cut, these laser cut acrylic pieces. This really is disappointing because, like I said, there's like, look at how many are not working here. This is on the bottom though. Again, this being down on the bottom, you know, we can let's get these kind of where they're supposed to be, and then we'll put the two rings on here. Crunch. Oh, God. It's just disgusting. So, yeah. Let's not put the ring on. Okay. So, try not to break yours like I've broke mine. Let's put this in here. Snaps in there. And then, you know, put the other pieces in here. Oh, God. Yeah, guys. You know, this kit was actually really nice until I broke it kind of nasty here. So that's kind of disappointing. But let's get this sorted out. Kind of like over in there, and let's get the small one on here. I'm hoping that, you know, between the these rings and this piece being on here, that yes, it's gonna hold it better in place. Okay. I think we're just gonna use a little, you know, hot glue down in here. And then I get this top ring like that, right? And I feel bad. Here we go. We're missing one of our rings here. Okay. Okay. All right. So there you go. Pretty much done, except, you know, like I said, it's going to move this one over here. We'll put a little, we'll touch this up in the end. We'll put some hot glue in there. For the most part, look at all the little broken pieces here. See them? So we got our thing there. All right, so we're going to set that aside. We'll give that some love later. And then, we're going to put pieces, balls and holes. We're going to put these pieces on here. Let's get to that. Which way? It's showing, see how it's got this, you know, angle right there. That goes to the inside, so it looks like we're going to There is kind of a chamfer on one side here before we screw that up too. Looks like the chamfer goes, yeah, to the inside. So it really should just be like, yeah, like that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. This is what it says to do. So this is what we're gonna do. Whoa. That was close. It was really tight and I was kind of off. And it was definitely binding up there. These are a pretty close fit. So. There we go. Alright. I'm shaking the table. Alright. So the next step, after inserting the pieces into the ring, it says repeated bending of copper sheets is prohibited. Tell you X10 pruning connector points. It shows you like bending it at a 90. Fold double-sided glue and bend. Okay. So where's those pieces? Is that these? These kind of... Yeah. But the question is, you know... So it's only supposed to go from here. So it goes from here. It only shows them coming right to the edge here. See? So we don't have to go all the way. So we'll just kind of do what they say here and make it a right. We'll feed them. We'll fit them in here. All right. Oh boy, some of them are my favorite stuff. Hit my head on the camera again. Clip these out. We'll go down this side here. Turn this around. Here, let's have some fun. Hey Alexa, what's the temperature outside right now?
Right now, it's 17 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 12 degrees.
Nice. Ah, these are also connected over here. Jesus. There we go. These are some substantial little copper pieces. Definitely substantial. Yeah. Oh. I know it's really exciting. It's kind of tired. I'm kind of tired right now, but yeah, I had a pretty good Christmas. I hope you guys did too. Yeah, we're just gonna clip along the edges since this is a square piece, man. Yeah, see, so it's turned out pretty good. So we'll just set that aside. And oh man, my head keeps hitting the camera. Sorry, guys. It's right out where I can't. I forget that it's right there. Okay. Really wanted to watch Predator tonight, but just didn't get around to it. Love that movie. My daughter was actually asking me to watch it. Both her and my son really enjoy that movie. After my own heart. Oh, so tedious. I know I'm out of witty banter right now. There's some over here. I hope all you guys are having a good time. I know I probably said it a million times already, but there ain't nothing like being home. So, home for the holidays. Just watching some good AVE videos today. One of my favorites, BigClive.com. It's over in the UK. He's pretty cool. I watched him pull apart a breaker panel today. That was pretty interesting. One that was already burned up. So, you know, people send this guy stuff and say, hey, this looks pretty sketchy. Is this sketchy? And yeah, he reviewed some Christmas lights, and those were pretty sketchy. Pretty shocking that they're, you know, they put on like a fake fuse in the plug in the EU, you know, English plug and everything. It's that's pretty frightening. But that was pretty good. I like his videos. He goes pretty in depth, shows you, you know, chips and what it could be, and, you know, basically reverse engineers things, which is pretty cool. So I like his full color, full page, full color photos. You don't see that too often. So yeah, another guy I watch, This Old Tony. He's pretty good. He's a machinist. He just came out with some new stuff. You guys should check them out. They're pretty good. All right, so I think when I saw this, you see that like this one has some ridges on it. Can you see it? Yeah. So there's like a flat side and a ridged side. It shows the ridge side up with some sticky tape. Oh, you know what? It's interesting. If you look here, you know, see it's got that line in the middle. I'm assuming that's where it should be bent. But let's get some pliers here. Like this. Right up by that bend. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, hang on guys, I'll be right back.